Hey creators, what is up? It is me, Pretty Crafty, and I am back with another video today. And what I'm going to be making are these movie centerpieces. So I got this paper from Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I'm making 6 centerpieces. I also bought these 8-inch discs, which I will be covering with some ribbon that I got from Joann's. I really wanted the star ribbon, the gold and black, you know, to go with the whole Hollywood theme, movie theme. But, of course, everything is out of stock now or back ordered. So, I just thought this looked kind of regal. So, I ran with this. So, what I will be doing, I cut a hole in the center. I'm going to be gluing these down like so with the hot glue gun. And then I'm going to be wrapping the ribbon all the way around so that this area won't be exposed. So I'm going to put all of these together and then continue on with the video. A quick tip when cutting ribbon, you have to remember any ribbon, when you cut it, remember just to run a lighter across it like so. I'm assuming a lot of y'all know this, but for those who are new to the crafting world, so the ribbon won't run or fray, you want it to look clean and polished, not raggedy. So you just take a lighter and run it gently across, and that is all. Just wanted to throw in that quick tip in case someone did not know that. Okay, so I'm gonna finish wrapping these and continue on with the video. So now that I have all of my pieces together, I'm going to start decorating them and build it up. So I am going to go back to my studio area and cut out all the pieces that will be going in the centerpieces, and I'm also gonna add some more like foil and red ribbon. Hey creators, so today I'm going to be putting this centerpiece together, and I actually did 5 of them already, but this is the base of how I'm shipping it, and then I'm going to build the stick up and decorate it, and then this back piece right here goes like so. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's deal with the base, and I'm going to be using these. Oh, look at the mess I made. The Park Lane craft sticks is 750 pieces. These really do come in handy. They are $6 at Joann Fabrics, and you could use your 50 or 40% off coupon. I'm going to be needing 4 of these sticks to build my base. Okay, so first I'm going to stick 3 of these in the front, like so. So I'm trying to came up with like this whole red carpet thingamajiggy. Oh, I don't think I have my movie part. Okay, this I'm going to glue down, but I'm not going to glue it down in here like I will do these pieces as you're about to see in the video. So I'm going to glue this. Excuse my glue gun. This is my ride or die glue gun. I have many other glue guns, but this is my go-to. So yes, I had it for years, so it looks like it's been through some things with me. So excuse my glue gun. Okay, just clean up the glue back here. I'm gonna push this down like this. Okay, so for the red ribbon, I got this from Hobby Lobby, 50% off of the $5.99. Remember, Hobby Lobby rotates its sales every other week, so this week this ribbon would be on sale. So before I do my ribbon, I'm going to hot glue these 3 parts down so that my ribbon could stick. You see how it pushes back up? That's what you want it to do. The glue bubbles back up so that the red ribbon, it is transparent, so it could stick, and you want it to look as neat as possible. So now I'm going to take my ribbon And I'm actually going to wrap it around like this, okay? Wrap it around and come back around like this, and then wrap it around and bring it to the front. I should have cut this off. Okay, so you see what I just did? And now I'm going to cut this. Cut a little extra to leave a tail, so you can wrap it around this stick. And I'm just going to apply a little bit more glue. Let me get this ribbon out the way. I'm going to apply, let me move this so you can see, just a little drop of glue at the bottom. Look at the glue stuck to my hand. Okay, so just a tad bit of glue around the base, and just wrap it and it's gonna leave a little tail, which is fine. I'm not cutting that off. I'm leaving it like that. Okay, so now that we have our base, I'm going to include my gold star right here. And I also got these gold stars for $2 and 12 come in a pack, Park Lane, from Joann Fabrics, and I used a 50% off. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I have to get my movie piece like this because I forgot it in my studio, so give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so I'm going to take this black piece and I'm going to attach it to the 2 sticks like this with the glue gun. So I'm just going to apply a little glue right here and right here. And any glue residue that you do see or may leave behind, don't worry about it. You could clean it up and the stars will cover most of it. So it's really not a big deal. I'm just gonna hold it like this. So it could dry. Clean off the extra residue of glue. And now I'm going to take these, before I take these 2 stars, I'm going to take my little movie roll and I'm going to stick it between here. Wait, before I do that, I'm sorry. I forgot my little gold foil sheets that I have to attach to the end. So I'm just going to cut 2 little pieces into squares. Cut these off. And I'm going to take this and wrap it like this so that I could wrap it around these 2 sticks. And I should have did this before I attached the black piece, so I do apologize for that. So let me see how I'm going to freestyle on this. I'm going to glue that down. And I'm going to tape this like so. The stars will cover the end pieces that are glued, so don't worry about that. I'm going to apply glue to the front and back so I could secure the wrap. And then hold it for 1 second so that it could stick. Okay.